Hi everyone, my name is Ken. Welcome to this house. Today we are exploring the historic Keyhole House located in the Soulard neighborhood of St. Louis, Missouri. This house is currently listed for $695,000 and boasts over 4,600 square feet. It has a rich history. Stick around, we're about to go inside. The original owner of this house was Michael Reinagel. He was a noteworthy brick mason who built this house in 1890 featuring 43 different styles of brick and terracotta. The average price of brick at the time was 1 cent per brick, and many of the bricks on this house cost as much as $5 a piece when it was constructed. Later on, in 1921, it became a boarding school and was later transformed into apartments and even a brothel for a short time. By the 1960s, it was abandoned and many of its architectural pieces had been looted. Its current owners purchased it in 1997 and renovated, including adding the ornamental 23-karat gold leaf cornice on the facade. All right, so we've just walked inside and now we are in the main stair hall of the house. So this has the original newel post in it. It also has these beautiful stairs with 12-foot soaring ceilings. The ceiling medallion in here is the only one that's original to the house. This house stood vacant in the 60s and was unfortunately looted by vandals who stole out most of the original architectural pieces that were inside of this home. So coming into the parlor, there are these beautiful pocket doors. We can see that they have their handles on them. The current owners of this house, they restored this home. It was a boarding school. Like I mentioned, it stood vacant in the 60s, and they were able to bring in a lot of architectural salvage to kind of bring this house back to life again. So let's just look around this living room first. Walking out of the parlor, we're now going to come to the dining room. And once again, there are pocket doors that are hidden in these walls. Coming through here, the fireplace in this room was actually taken out of a house in Old North St. Louis and was reinstalled here. So it was given a second chance at life. The medallion was also handcrafted by local artisans. And once again, there's another pocket door off to the side of this room. Walking into the butler's pantry, we pass through these frosted glass panel doors, and these are really gorgeous. Let's take a moment just to look at these. So now we're in the butler's pantry. Once again, 12-foot ceilings, floor-to-ceiling cabinets. We have glass cabinets over here as well. And then there's also a stained glass door that leads off to the side of the property. Leaving the butler's pantry, we come into the kitchen, and this kitchen is amazing. There are floor-to-ceiling cabinets, actually 45 cabinets total in this kitchen. There are these beautiful honed granite countertops and high-end stainless steel appliances. There are also 2 sinks in this kitchen, an entrance off to the side that takes you to the backyard, and I'm not gonna show you guys that yet because it's really awesome and I'm gonna save it for very last. So come on through here. And there is a Juliet balcony off of this little sitting area. Walking out of the kitchen, we're now going to go see the bathroom. And the bathroom is just right over here. As I mentioned, it's off the stair hall. And here's that beautiful double hung stained glass again. And if we notice, the torches on here are actually 3-dimensional. And then there's also these original details to the house, some of the few things that were left in here. And it looks like the owners really tried to save what they could in this house that wasn't already stolen. So passing on underneath this archway, we're going to come to the first floor bathroom, and this is a full bathroom. It has a clawfoot tub, it has built-ins, pedestal sink. It's a modern take on a more traditional bathroom. So it's just really cool. There are also transom windows, both one leading to the exterior and one to the stair hall. And this bathroom has a beautiful marble hexagon floor, black beadboard, as well as a chair rail and a marble threshold. Walking out of the bathroom, we're now going to pass back through the stair hall, and we're walking towards the front of the house right now. And we're about to go upstairs. Once again, let's just pause and really admire the craftsmanship on this newel post. All right, let's go check out the upstairs. Arriving up here at the top of the steps, we come to a landing and we're immediately greeted by a linen closet. There's also this grate here, and this used to be on the outside of the Second National Bank. So that's just a really cool bit of heritage that's been brought into this house. There's also a double hung window here that runs underneath the flying staircase to the 3rd floor. Now leaving the stair hall, we come into the sitting room, and this is just really beautiful. There are these amazing pocket doors. There are transoms above the window. So coming through this set of pocket doors, once again, absolutely gorgeous, we come into what's set up as another sitting room. And before we leave this space, check out these really amazing bookcases. They kind of have mid-century modern vibes, but they really kind of go with this space. So let's continue on this way. And the master bedroom is over here through this archway, and there is another transom window, really helps to increase airflow. So there's a bathroom off to this side, a laundry room off to this side. We'll get to those in just a moment. So come on through here. This is the master suite. Over in this corner is a Juliet balcony. So you could open your door and not have to worry about falling out here, let in a really nice breeze. Over on this side of the master suite are the his and hers closets with frosted glass. And I won't open these because the owners do have some personal items in here. But this is a really good way to see how these brand new modern doors mesh with the traditional molding. It's just this amazing dichotomy of design, and I think it is pulled off very well in this house. So moving back over this way, let's look at the laundry room first. There's a washer dryer, a lot of cabinets and storage space, plenty of area to fold clothes, and a sink as well. And then the master bathroom is over here. There is a pedestal sink, an all glass shower, and this thing is amazing. It's really large, so let's just take a peek in here. Let's leave the master bathroom now and let's go check out the 3rd floor. So the 3rd floor is really amazing, and we just need to walk out here first through the stair hall again. And over here at the end is a linen closet. Now these stairs are really cool how they wrap around here. So we can start going up. Once we're up here at the 3rd floor, things start to look really industrial. There are exposed rafters, exposed HVAC. There are glass blocked partitioning off the stairway. And there's also a giant bay window over here. So they have this set up as a home office. It could also be a game room, playroom, whatever your imagination really leads you to. So there's also another full bathroom off of this space. It has this beautiful green marble floor, clawfoot tub, porcelain toilet, porcelain pedestal sink, and then this beautiful set of built-ins over here. So cutting through this lofted space, we're now going to come to another bedroom that's up here on the 3rd floor. And we pass through this beautiful glass pane door. And come on in, there's an old postal long distance telephone service door right here. And that's just another one of those pieces of reclaimed architectural salvage that's been brought into this house. And it just adds so much character. So to either side of the bed in this room, there are these amazing built-ins in the window. And this is really deep. This is probably 2 or 3 feet deep right here. And it has storage built into it. So that's just another one of those really great features that gives a house a lot of charm. Cutting through the loft space, we're now going to pass through here. There's this awesome skee ball machine on the side, and there's a utility closet right here. So let's head on through. Here's another big, beautiful bedroom. entering the third bedroom, we're now passing through a glass pane door. There are exposed rafters on the ceiling, exposed HVAC, exposed brick. This room has a very raw and natural feel to it. There's also a Juliet balcony off to the side here. Lots of windows for a lot of natural light. There's also a beautiful cubby over here and a full walk-in closet. I'm not going to open that once again, just because the owners have things stored in here. And there's another one of these amazing reclaimed fireplaces over here. This one looks like it is cast iron with a granite top on it. So let's just look at that for a moment. All right, so we've seen the entirety of the house. Let's go check out the backyard now. So directly off the kitchen is the backyard. Out here on the deck, it is just absolutely gorgeous back here. It's like your own urban oasis. There are these tall privacy fences with urns and pedestals on top of them. Down here is cobblestone. And we'll notice how wide these stairs are too. There's actually a lot of space down here, so you can really entertain with a lot of guests. Once again, privacy fence off to this side, beautiful garden doors for a garden gate. And then over here is the garage. Now up here is just absolutely gorgeous. We come with these old steps onto an astroturf plain, and there is this English hedge maze kind of garden right here. Just a really beautiful and quaint space. Ted, thank you so much for allowing us into this property. It has been an absolute pleasure to just tour this and see how the old and the new have come together.
Hi, I'm Ted White with Dillman Sotheby's International Realty, and we're so excited, Ken, that you came here and have an addition of this house, a beautiful Keyhole House in Soulard, and we're gonna sell it quickly, and we're gonna find a great new steward for this beauty.
Thank you everyone for joining us on this house tour. I know it was a little different seeing the old mixed with the new. Let us know your thoughts on it down in the comments. If you would like more information on this property, check out the description because we have the listing link down there. I'll see you next time on This House.